Prime Minister Narendra Modi embarked on a 3-day visit to Gujarat, where he will attend a series of cultural, developmental and diplomatic engagements. His itinerary includes participation in the Somnath Swabhiman Parv, inaugurations in Rajkot and Ahmedabad, and bilateral talks with German Chancellor Friedrich Merz. Panic gripped residents of Jalda after a small aircraft crashed around 9 kilometers from the Rourkela airstrip. The incident occurred when a 9-seater India One Air aircraft was flying from Rourkela to Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar shivered through its coldest night in 22 years, with the minimum temperature plunging to 9.2 degrees Celsius on Friday night. This marks the lowest night temperature recorded in Bhubaneswar since 2004, making it the third lowest January night temperature on record. World Hindi Day is being observed today to promote the global use of Hindi. Celebrated annually, the day highlights Hindi's role in diplomacy, education and cultural exchange, encouraging its recognition and adoption on international platforms. The Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue 2026 began in New Delhi. Addressing the inaugural ceremony, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Mansukh Mandaviya said the initiative reflects the government's commitment to engaging young minds in nation building and fostering future leadership. The Odisha Cabinet, chaired by Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, approved 11 key proposals across departments, with a major focus on strengthening the state's tourism sector through the Odisha Tourism Policy 2026. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated the 53rd edition of the New Delhi World Book Fair at Bharat Mandapam in the national capital. The 9-day literary festival, running from January 10 to 18, has drawn participation from over 1,000 publishers representing more than 35 countries. US President Donald Trump has reignited debate over the Nobel Peace Prize, declaring that no one in history is more deserving of the award than himself. Trump alleged that his diplomatic efforts prevented wars and saved millions of lives. He specifically pointed to the India-Pakistan standoff, insisting that his intervention stopped a major escalation. Kolkata police have detained one person in connection with an email issuing a bomb threat to Governor C.V. Anand Bose. The threatening message came to the attention of officials at Raj Bhavan on Thursday night. The email stated that Governor Bose would be blown up. Odisha women's soccer team defended their gold medal at the Khelo India Beach Games 2026, registering contrasting victories on the sands of Gogla Beach. The team overcame stiff competition to retain its crown in the beach soccer category.